come across. Example asterisk. I came across an old friend at the market yesterday. Turn down. Example, she turned down the job offer because of the low salary. Put off. Example asterisk. They decided to put off the meeting until next week. Get along. Example, Sarah and Jack get along really well. They're great friends. Break down. Example, the car broke down on the way to the airport. Take on. Example, he decided to take on the responsibility of managing the project. Go through. Example asterisk. She's going through a difficult time after losing her job. Bring up. Example, parents should bring up their children to be respectful. Run into. Example, I ran into my neighbor at the grocery store yesterday. Look after. Example asterisk. Sarah looks after her younger brother when their parents are away. Hold on. Example, hold on a moment. I'll be with you shortly. Give in. Example asterisk. He finally gave in and admitted he was wrong. Bring about. Example asterisk. The new manager brought about many positive changes in the company. Carry on. Example asterisk. Despite the difficulties, she carried on with her studies. Show up. Example, Tom didn't show up for the meeting yesterday. Go over. Example asterisk. Let's go over the details one more time to make sure we're clear. Look for example. I'm looking for my keys. I can't find them anywhere. Bring out. Example. The artist plans to bring out a new collection next month. Example, it took her a long time to get over her fear of flying. Run out. Example, we've run out of milk. I need to buy some from the store. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more vocabulary.